If you're looking to split your audio in OBS for the purposes of recording, here's a quick guide on what to do. If you're interested in splitting the audio for Twitch, you can check out my other video which explains how to do this here. Before we begin, we need to change some settings in OBS to ensure that the desktop audio isn't recorded. Go to settings first, and we want to go over to the audio channel. We want to make sure that we have disabled desktop audio. Secondly, we'll need to make sure that our video output will include all the audio channels that we're interested in. Head over to the Output tab and go to Recording. You may have output mode in Simple, in which case go over to Recording here and select all the audio tracks. If it's in Advanced, go to the Recording tab and select all the audio tracks. Your recording format could be MP4 or MKV, shouldn't really make a difference. Hit OK. Now with the desktop audio gone, you're going to have to add every audio source for everything that is playing sound through your system that you want recorded. For example, if I have a game, I'm going to need to add the game source here. Go to Add, select Application Audio Capture. From here you can select a new audio capture and you'll be able to choose a window or an existing one. I already have Baldur's Gate 3, I'm going to select that. If you wanted to select a new one, you click Create New, click OK. Under Window you can select the application that you want to get the sound from, and under Window Match Priority you can select Match Title, otherwise find a window of same executable. Click OK and you'll get that application audio in there. I'm just going to add a few more. I'll also add one for my microphone as well. Once we've added our different audio tracks, we now need to split them onto different channels so that we can make sure that when it comes to editing we can cancel out some channels if we'd like. Go over to Advanced Audio Properties, and here you can see the various options and the tracks that they're all going to be playing on. So right now I'm going to take this first audio capture and only play it on track 1. Next, I'll make sure that the BG3 audio is on track 2, and I'm going to put my microphone on track 3. The other tracks I'm not using right now, so I'll leave them. To make life a bit easier, I can go back to my output, to recording, and remove the other tracks I'm not using just so that they don't show up. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and record some audio so we can see how that looks. Now right now I don't have any audio coming in from Baldur's Gate 3 or the application audio capture, but that doesn't matter, we expect them to be blank. Go ahead and end recording, and then I'm going to pull that into my video editing software. Now I'm using DaVinci Resolve, but this will work in Premiere Pro or any other video editing software that supports multiple audio tracks. Now drag the file in, make sure you're on the edit page, and then you can pull that down into your timeline, and as you can see, the moment I've done that, we have the audio split. And you can see here that I've got audio on channel 3, which was my microphone, and the other 2 channels are empty as I explained they would be. Now I can simply right click, unlink the clips, and then delete the ones I don't want. So for example, if this had music, say from Spotify, I can simply remove that one, and now that won't be in my recording for YouTube. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment on the video, or you can come along to the Discord, join the tech support channel, and I'll be able to help you there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you again next time.